Today I'm going to be making mini square mirror frame. This designer frame can be put on the wall or even on the stand. So this is the size of the mini square mirrors. I have to peel the back sticker like this, and also the front sticker can be peeled off like that. Remove the clear film to give it this beautiful looking mirror look. So let me talk about the mirror. This mirror, mini square mirror, is made out of good quality acrylic material. It does not easily break. It does not deform. It's very durable and it's very smooth. It's a good texture. So once I've already arranged my mirror the way and the design I want, I cut it away from the paper and I start peeling off the protective film and showing the mirror. I give it a good wipe and I install it onto my frame. This can be used for different DIY projects, artwork decoration, and even for weddings and parties and center table. So this is for my center table piece. It looks so lovely and the diameter is about 2 inches. You can get it in different sizes. Absolutely love this.